So it was I and my husband traveling. My mom came to drop me out, and I would miss Mumbai. The last scene of the year for me. The traffic, the honking, then the side restaurants, there's constructions and all. I would really miss. Bye bye Mumbai for some time. We'll be back soon. This was our luggage, the bag. So we had two trolleys, four bags, two were of him, two were of mine, and laptop bags, and the small bags, the luggage bags. And this is the trolley. We are going in the Bombay airports. So after going through the ticket thing, we went to the immigration counter, and then here you need to scan your boarding QR code and these gates will open for you. This technique, I loved it. And then we are going towards our gates. So they dim the lights and they tell you to close the windows because the UV lights will be very high. So they, because of the longest travel we were doing, so they tell you after you board the flight and the flight takes off, they tell you to close the shutter off. Mumbai, see you anytime soon. We'll miss you a lot. Dim the light first of all because of the UV radiation. Second, so that you can rest. It will be very easy to rest in these lights rather than the yellow and the white lights. So travel tip number one, you can have three seats, book three seats in premier economy instead of like having to go for the bigger one, business one, so that you can sleep over. If you are like two people, you can sleep over easily in premier economy. This is a sunrise view which I captured through my phone. It was a bit of wintry season, so it was very foggy, and you can see the clouds and the trees of the road. Enjoy the view. traveled so long. So we moved from New York to Denver. So it's in the part 2. So keep watching my vlogs. Thanks a lot.